Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious potato soup in your crockpot. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of starchy potatoes, like russets, peeled and diced into 1-inch pieces. Also, have ready 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, 1 cup of milk or cream, and some seasonings. This simple preparation sets the stage for a wonderfully comforting meal. Now, let's get cooking. Place your diced potatoes into the crockpot. Pour in 4 cups of your chosen broth and add your preferred seasonings, perhaps a teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of black pepper. Cover and cook on the low setting for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours. The potatoes should be perfectly fork tender when done. For that irresistible creamy texture, here's the trick. Once the potatoes are tender, mash about 1/3 of them right in the crockpot using a potato masher or a large spoon. This creates a lovely, thick base. Then, stir in 1 cup of milk or cream and about 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Let it heat through for another 15 to 20 minutes. Your delicious crockpot potato soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle generous portions into bowls. For an extra special touch, garnish with your favorite toppings. Crispy bacon bits, fresh chopped chives, or a sprinkle of extra shredded cheese are all fantastic choices. This recipe makes about 6 hearty servings, perfect for a cozy meal. Enjoy your homemade comfort food.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.